Ever wondered why you are struggling with your delivery dates, although you are a high-quality configure-to-order manufacturer working with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central? And do you ever feel stressed in keeping delivery time commitments while juggling all your sub-assemblies? What separates configure-to-order companies that regularly deliver on time from those that take less new orders because they fear being late? My name is Martin Karlovic and I'm CEO and co-owner of Netronic Software. Our mission is to empower small and medium-sized manufacturers to gain operational agility with visual scheduling. Over the past 10 years, we have been working with manufacturing companies running on Business Central on all 5 continents. We analyzed while some struggle, and we found the formula while some succeed. If you are a configure-to-order manufacturer, you may be interested in understanding the following 4 success factors. First, you succeed when you have transparency. You need to understand what is happening on the shop floor. You need to understand the impact of squeezing in a rush order. Without this, you fly blind, and every rush order creates more chaos than value. Second, you succeed when your delivery commitments are as reliable as a Swiss clockwork. For your customers, timing is everything. If you fail to deliver as committed, they will lose business. It is not just the timing of deliveries, it is committing to the time of delivery that matters. Third, you succeed when you balance the schedule for your final assemblies and the schedule for the sub-assembly production. If you do not manage this, you will always have to manage the conflicts between production, assembly, and your sales team. Fourth, while doing this, you need to have a crystal clear view on your material availability per production order. You know how painful it is that Business Central does not provide you this information. We developed our Visual Advanced Production Scheduler, VAPS, with these 4 reasons in mind. We at Netronic are obsessed with operational agility through visual scheduling. Operational agility is your key to operate and grow in unpredictable manufacturing environments. This is what the VAPS will help you to achieve. Stop losing time and money with outdated and not integrated production schedules. Book a free meeting with the VAPS expert now.